4 most important concepts of any technical interview. Let's dive in.
Hey there guys, so in this video I'm going to be telling you the 5 skills which are going to be needed, except considering that we go to depth in most of these. So the first one is problem solving skills. Basic problem solving, riddle solving, the curiosity to solve a problem before it actually manifests into something which is actually detrimental to the company. So this is a valuable skill, basically using a formula, set of tools to find out a solution. So if you're able to work on several hard problems and actually doing well on developing solutions, you're smart. So these people are very valuable for the company. So that's why this is a highly prioritized solution. Next, we have basic data structures and algorithms. Basic data structures, which are actually very quite useful in structuring data, which is actually used in computing programming languages. And we have algorithm building, finding solutions for problems. So this is another skill which is highly useful. We're going to give this the number 2. This is a highly well-sought skill. Next, another important thing which interviewers always should ask for and always do suggest is preparing in a whiteboard. So the thing is, with whiteboard interviews, it allows for people to creatively express their thought process. So let me tell you why people don't use standard IDEs and choose whiteboards. So the thing is, whiteboards allow you to show your thought process, let you make mistakes, let you do drawings, let you create these markups. And with IDEs, you basically just write the code with autocomplete and you just compile the solution. This is not what people look for. They want to see how you think of a solution. Are you smart enough to come to all the test cases, or are you just a person who's just trying to get through it? So they really test you based on that. They like to see the meaty parts, where you find the solution, and every single thing. Next, they make sure that it is a company that you're actually passionate to work for. Like if you're an Apple fanboy, working at Apple is something which you passionately do. You put in the extra effort to get those goals done. Whereas if you're a person who's not particularly an Android fan, but you're applying to a job for an Android, they don't condemn you, but they kind of take that into consideration because you never used an Android phone before, and it's not a red flag, but it's just kind of like a point to note down since you never used Android products before, and they expect that you won't have that much interest in showing enthusiasm for working on the solutions. So that's something which is mostly considered. So it's basically a cultural fit here in this case. So these 4 principles are actually the most talked and used principles in any coding interview language. So it's also quite common to base your process and how good are you on these 4 stuff. Problem solving skills, basic interview questions, basic data structures and algorithms, computer fundamentals. Are you able to construct your idea properly and communicate on whiteboard? So this is basically, let me just write this down, communication, leadership, cultural fit, I don't need to explain that. That is basically fundamentals, expertise, domain expertise. And we have problem solving skills as basically tech interview questions, smartness, algorithm design, etc. Okay, so you see how it's actually structured. So that's what we wanted to learn today.
Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more or want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe.